Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials. Camera set to RAW or highest quality and resolution like 300 dpi, a solid tripod, and clean optics. Mount the subject, enable manual exposure, and set white balance to a single Kelvin value so colors stay accurate. Once locked, frame using the grid and rule of thirds, move closer rather than crop later. Make a bracketed exposure or take multiple test shots. These first steps give you maximum data to work with downstream. Now refine capture. Review the histogram and adjust exposure to avoid clipped highlights or crushed blacks because detail matters for quality. Use polarizers, diffusers, or reflectors to tame glare and balance contrast. Move lights or change angles when specular highlights appear. Choose a lens and set to its sweet spot, often around f/5. 6 to f/8 for optimal sharpness and focus manually if needed. Once done, shoot tethered or transfer RAW files for consistent preview and less guesswork. You finish by processing RAW files, correct exposure and white balance, reduce noise, and apply selective clarity to enhance texture without creating halos. Make non-destructive edits, then sharpen for the final output size and convert to the target color profile. sRGB for web, Adobe RGB, or CMYK for print. Export at the needed resolution and inspect at 100%. Print a proof if required. If you see banding or odd color shifts, recheck bit depth, dithering, and color profile.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.